Hello everyone. I just want to do a quick review of this Schumacher 1000A battery charger. Now this is something I borrowed from a friend and he says he's had this thing for about 10 years, which honestly looking at Amazon I was kind of surprised that it's still for sale if it's been that long. But he's used it, he said at least 50, probably to 100 times. It's lasted all this time and I just borrowed it to charge my boat battery and a second battery I have. I just want to say that it's a good product. It's clear. I mean, it's clearly still working, and the fact that it has all these settings makes it even better. I previously had a Harbor Freight battery charger, which it didn't really give you any settings or anything like that, and I actually read online that it can overcharge a battery and kind of cause problems. So the fact that this battery charger allows you to select the speed of charge and the battery type, it's really kind of above and beyond. It's I mean, batteries these days are not cheap. And in some ways, I just recommend spending a little more money on a quality battery charger instead of saving a little bit. Because, I mean, if there's something goes wrong with that battery that you're working on, I mean, this thing will pay for itself multiple times over. So that's my 2 cents. It's kind of a quick overview, but the fact that this has been used for years, it's still working, kind of proves that it's a good product. So yeah, don't charge expensive batteries with really cheap chargers that don't know what they're doing. Just be careful, save your money, and don't ruin your batteries.